Okay, this is a chart of Lincoln National, LNC. We threw this on watch this morning. It's been very, very strong and a nice three-day pullback here. Threw it on watch in our chat room, and just to talk about a kind of an intangible benefit of membership. LNC had a big run today. I gave a really low risk entry on it, and it's an example of one of those stocks that I made a really good call and didn't benefit from it myself. The entry that I called was 1460. It was right here. Stop at 1440, a 20-cent risk. Mentioned it over the mic. Didn't now when I post an official call in the room. I'll type in the symbol in the chat room and I'll send a tone so everybody knows here's your entry, here's your stop. And then some of them I just babble over the mic as I'm finding ideas. Now the market was so whippy this morning that I talked myself out of it personally. But the mention was LNC 1460, stop at 1440. That's a 20-cent risk. Saw HIG hit new highs for the day while LNC was still down here, and knew I liked it as a bounce play anyway. So I knew if it could get to the high of the day, you could really get some follow through. So on a 20-cent risk, the 1460 mention, all the way to 1677. That's up $2.10, $2.10 plus a little. On a 20-cent risk that never got hit. So, just so you know, we don't always get to post some of our picks on the member page because it was something that I mentioned in passing as a decent idea, but I didn't take it myself because the market was so whippy at the time. So, 20 cents risk. I wish I would have. I saw some members, at least one today, that made over $2 on their last sell. We teach members to scale out into a rally, and one of our members actually made over $2 on his last quarter. So big trade there, and just an example of one that I had it and I still missed it myself. So we don't, our member page, or I'm sorry, our highlight page doesn't always reflect all of our calls and all of our ideas. So LNC is a good example of that. Look for that free pick tonight. We haven't put out a free pick yet, so there should be one coming tonight. Have a good night.